Welcome to our comparison of nTask and Taskworld, two popular project management tools. We'll be examining them side by side across various factors to help you make an informed decision about which tool suits your needs better. Let's get started. nTask provides features like task management, time tracking, and issue tracking, making it a comprehensive tool. However, Taskworld goes a step further by incorporating chat and file sharing functionalities within the platform, providing a fully integrated workspace. Both tools offer Kanban boards and Gantt charts for visual project management, and Task offers a free basic plan, and its premium plans start from $2.99 per user per month. Taskworld, on the other hand, doesn't have a free plan. Its pricing starts at $10 per user per month. For budget-conscious teams, nTask seems to be a more affordable choice. nTask has a clean, intuitive interface that's easy to navigate. Taskworld, while also user-friendly, has a slightly steeper learning curve due to its extensive features. User reviews suggest that nTask's simplicity makes it easier to get started, but Taskworld's robustness is appreciated once users get the hang of it. Both nTask and Taskworld provide integrations with popular third-party applications. nTask integrates with Slack, a Google Calendar, and Outlook, among others. Taskworld offers integrations with Dropbox, Google Drive, and more. However, Taskworld has a slight edge with its integration with Zapier, which opens up possibilities for numerous other integrations. nTask and Taskworld both provide reliable performance and are trusted by businesses worldwide. They offer robust security measures, including data encryption and regular audits. However, Taskworld provides an added security layer with its two-factor authentication feature. Both platforms offer good customer support with multiple channels like email, live chat, and phone support. In terms of scalability, both tools can handle projects of varying sizes. However, Taskworld's feature-rich environment may provide more flexibility as your team and projects grow. nTask is ideal for small to medium-sized teams looking for a simple, affordable tool. Taskworld, with its comprehensive features and integrations, is better suited for larger teams or those requiring more complex project management capabilities. While both tools have their strengths, Taskworld comes out on top due to its comprehensive feature set, extensive integrations, and added security features. However, for smaller teams or those on a tight budget, nTask would be a more suitable option. Thank you for watching our comparison of nTask and Taskworld. We hope this information helps you choose the right project management tool for your needs. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more comparisons like this.